This is my latest fairy design. I thought for a change I'll share the whole process with you as I'm doing it. I haven't done it in the past, the main reason being that you tend to make a lot of visible progress in the first 2 or 3 days to the point that it almost looks like I've created the fairy, and then I'll spend the next 2 or 3 weeks fleshing it out, and from a camera's point of view it doesn't look like it's visibly changed very much. That's not to say that there isn't interesting things to see along the way, especially with this design, as I don't even know if it's physically possible to make it. What I want to do is actually try and create a fairy that looks like she's levitated by creating the support from wires that come from her fingers. So it's only when I start making it and trying to work out the sort of physics behind it whether I know it's actually possible. The hairstyle is just a sort of bit of a work in progress. I don't actually know if I'll go for that sort of hairstyle, but I did think it might be worth trying to do something a little bit different for a change.